How to install small decals on your car. First, you would need to clean the area. Make sure there's no debris or there's no wax or any residue. After cleaning the surface, grab your decal and squeegee. If you don't have a squeegee, you can use a credit card or a piece of hard cardboard instead. To apply the decal, start squeegeeing from the center and work your way outward. This ensures the adhesive sticks properly to the transfer tape. Remember, the transfer tape is the top layer of the decal that holds the sticker together. Next, gently lift the corner of the decal slowly, peel away the backing. As you do this, make sure the decal sticks to the transfer tape. If any small part of the decal doesn't stick to the transfer tape, press the backing firmly toward the transfer tape to help the adhesive bond. Once the decal is fully peeled and secured in the transfer tape, align it to the desired surface. Use a squeegee or your hand or a card to press it down and help it adhere more effectively. After you have finished squeegeeing, go ahead and begin removing the transfer tape. To avoid tearing the decal, peel it slowly from a corner at a 90-degree angle. Take your time and don't rush this step. Now, if there are any pieces that does stick to the transfer tape, go ahead and push the transfer tape back up and push it down to allow the decal to stick to the surface. Now, if you notice any air bubbles, go ahead and use the pin to poke a tiny hole, allowing the air to escape. Then gently press down with your finger. You can do this a few times, but be careful not to overdo it.